Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we are looking at the Bicycle Shadow Masters Master Edition Rider Back deck. Oh, that was a mouthful. So here we have it here. It's a very popular deck. It's been around for a while. I've been a big fan. I've had a number of these decks and I just thought I'd get one out and give it a review. So it's got the UV500 airflow finish. Information to the United States Playing Card Company. Bicycle Poker 808. Poker size, and it'll have Illusionist logo there because this deck is from the Illusionist. We're going to crack it open and get straight inside. So here we have a pretty awesome Joker. Notice it's holding a sort of sand timer, when this Joker here is holding 3 of diamonds. Very cool. We also have the Illusionist advertising card. And then we have a double back. Always handy to have. Never ever disappointed to find a double backer in a set. So looking here at the Ace of Spades, now these are inverted faces, so the white background doesn't exist and we are full on black, which I do love. I think it looks incredible. The problem I do have is that when you use a deck a lot, you can fray out the edges and they can have white lines surrounding them, but this doesn't have that. Not been used that much. We've got the same design there from the front of the box. Very cool. Big ace pip, an eagle flying through it and a crown. Very nice. I like the whole Shadow Masters name going into the pips here, with sort of darker shadows creeping in from the centre pip to the outer pips. It's very cool, I like it. Into the royalty there, standard faces, sort of almost inverted X-ray colours. Going into the reds, again, very similar, sort of darker on the inside of the pips and lighter on the outside. We'll probably see that better looking at something like maybe a 5, where you can sort of see the difference in the inner colours to the outer colours. Just a fantastic looking deck. Love the black and white and red. I've mentioned this before, and it just it looks spectacular. The back, it's a rider back inverted, so where there's normally colour, there is now white, and then there's the black for the background. Now these have that UV500 linen air cushion finish, as mentioned on the box. They just handle phenomenally. They look awesome with the black. I think it's really eye-catching, especially if you're performing Magic or cardistry, for someone to see this and see the stark contrast. It just looks fantastic. Yeah, I've been a big fan of this deck for a while. There's no date on it. I'm not sure when it came out, but I've had maybe 6 of this deck, and I've used 5 into the ground. So this is the sort of display one that I've taken better care of. But yeah, I love it. It's a lovely deck. Big fan of the contrast here in the black and the white and the red, as I've mentioned before. I'm a big fan of. So if you haven't, there we go. I was just reading the inside there in case there was any date for the deck, but there isn't. But yeah, if you're a fan of black and white, fan of playing cards, these can be picked up very, very cheaply, many places. They're just a really nice deck, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.